Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well and I hope you enjoyed your weekend. There were some trade setups that we gave in the Telegram group in the weekend for ETC and Phantom, and I hope some of you took it and I hope you are in some good profits now. So if you have not followed our Telegram group, please do so, and we regularly update some quick trades that I see. Okay. So this is a trading video that will start trading series that will start from today, which will benefit everyone. Okay. So every day will come up with five coins that you can trade for the day. Now this is valid only for that day. After the day goes, I do not know what will happen. Okay. So I'll try to identify five coins for you along with BTC and try to give you some good setups on them, and hopefully some of them will hit. Okay. So let's start with the BTC video like we always do. Okay, so let's start with disclaimers because that is the first thing that we need to discuss. Now, okay, guys, these are very high risk trades. So if you're just beginning or you're just started trading, then I'll suggest just stick to BTC and Ethereum and do not trade altcoins. Okay, because they are highly volatile. None of this is financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research before investing and trading. Okay, the most important thing in these types of trade is you have to plan your stop loss and take profit before you enter the trade. Okay, and once you are in some profits, take at least 20% profit of the position and put your stop loss to entry so that you don't lose the winning trade. Okay, so even if market reverses on you, at least you have booked some profits and you got out at break even, and you can enter again if it goes the other way. Yeah, the minimum risk to reward to target here is 1:2. If you do it continuously with this over a period of time, your portfolio will grow substantially. Okay, so the minimum risk to reward has to be 1:2. Yeah, having said that, so this is the disclaimer. Yeah, and now let's go on to do a little bit. All of this will be very quick analysis, guys, because I want to keep this video short. Yeah, so because we'll make it every day. Yeah, as you can see in the 1 hour time frame, we are short on BTC from 24,400. At least I am short from 24,400. That's my entry price. Now, yesterday I was giving this to my guys that you see how BTC is flirting in this range, and you can see there was a stop and rise in the during the monthly candle close last night. You can see stop and rise and then drop. Okay, now you are in some very good profits on BTC from 24,400. You can see it has come down by almost 5%. Yeah, so consider taking some profits here. Okay, now doing a higher time frame analysis. This is a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, now this is what I see BTC to at least come to. Let me just build this quickly up for you. So this is the zone where I see BTC to at least come before going and testing the top of the parallel channel again. Now moving to lower time frames, you can see that I'm waiting for one more lower low to form over here. Yeah, it can come and reject from here, or it can just drop down from here. I don't know what will happen. So we'll keep somewhere midway. Now, once this happens, I'm thinking that this bigger ABC is going to get complete over here. Yeah. And then you can see test of the channel again. Yeah. And then a drop down, because if you put a Fibonacci here, you can see it's clearly coming and testing the top here. And the 1.618 is right in our golden pocket. Okay, so I think this is the way it is going to go. At least I am going to go by this logic. Now I don't know what will happen, but this is the higher time frame analysis for BTC. Okay, I'll be looking for positions to long over here. Maybe I'll look for something like this over here, and yeah, hoping to trade this, and let's see how it materializes, and hopefully we'll get some short long positions over here and we go to test the top of the parallel channel or around the 27-28,000 region. Okay, so this is the BTC time frame analysis. Now, having said this, now this is the plan for BTC. Okay, whatever you do, you have to match it up with BTC. That is why I always start with BTC. Now, the first coin for today will be Filecoin. File has done a very good move up. You can see over here a very good up move. Now, I like File as a coin, so I have done some higher time frame analysis on File. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this, and maybe it will be beneficial for you in the future. Yeah. So coming to the lower time frame, because this analysis is about lower time frame analysis, you can see file is in a parallel channel constantly. Okay, now what I'm hoping is file to come and test this region first before going up. Okay, this region. So if we move to lower time frame analysis, 15 minutes, you can see clearly that this is the parallel channel file is following. And at least I think that if BTC comes down, then I at least see file coming and testing this point over here. Okay, this will be the first take profit point. Now, if this breaks, it is going to test this and make a move down over here. Okay, now I don't know exactly what will happen now, because as we get more and more data points, we'll figure out that what's going on. But you can see that this is a full wave up, and now we are waiting for a retracement at least to somewhere here, and then a uptick. Okay, so there will be a lot of trading opportunities here. It is going to reject and test upper levels and come down. It is not going to come down straight. Okay, now what can happen is, other than this, what can happen is if BTC decides to push on for higher liquidity, then this can take support from this channel over here and go to put in a higher high and then reject. Okay, so keep an eye on this, and yeah, so these are few setups you need to be aware of on file, but this is the zone I think file has to retrace. Yeah, so the next coin for today will be yeah. So the next coin for today will be People coin. Yeah. You can see People has constantly tapped this area. You can see high wicks around here. Okay. So I think this was a stop and rise before going down. And you can see People has gone up also continuously to get this wick. So I think now it is going to come down. Yeah. But two scenarios can happen over here. If it rejects from this parallel channel, then it will come down and make this as a resistance and come over here, and if it does not find any support, it will go down. Yeah, you can see that from here to here is almost 10%, and from here to bottom is almost 19%. That is why this will be a very good trade. Okay, of course you can see the last high was here, so if it decides to put in a higher high from here, then it can just come test this channel and then put in a higher high, and then you can easily, yeah, you can make a swing failure trading from this position over here. You can take a short. Yeah, so this is how it is going to reject and come down from here. Okay, so this will be few setups from People, and if it comes around here, I think it will form a lower low, so you can take a swing failure trade highs, and then it will go and test this channel over here. Okay, so this will be some good nice setup for People. Now moving on to the next coin over here, which will be STMX. Yeah, similar setup, as you can see, everything is same like People. So it is testing the top of the parallel channel, and you can see it has rejected quite strongly from here. Now if this area breaks and acts as resistance, then it will come and test the bottom of the channel. Okay, there is no stopping it. But if it clears it and finds support, then it will go to test the higher levels and then come down over here. Okay, and if it breaks this whole level, then it is just going to come down, make it as resistance, and proceed down. Okay, but there is higher chances of this getting some support from this middle area of the parallel channel. Okay, now why this trade? Because you can see this is the high risk to reward ratio trade. Only from here to here is 18%, and from the bottom till the bottom of the parallel channel is 32%. Okay, so even if you find some good entries, let's say somewhere around this region or this region, it will be a very good point, yeah, to enter. And I'll just what I'll do is I'll make a fib over here, and I'll look for it to reverse, because now it's too late to enter a short trade. So I'll try to look for long position over here, and I'll try to wait for this reversal and then take a position to the bottom of the parallel channel. Okay, so this will be for STMX. Now moving on to the next coin, which is the Git coin. Okay, You can see this is the same shitcoin, but the same pattern which is forming in people is forming everywhere. Yeah. So if you just drop to lower time frame analysis, then you can clearly see that it is rejecting from top of this parallel channel. Now, if this point becomes, if the middle line of the parallel channel becomes resistance, then it will come and test this, find some support. If it does not find and breaks it, then it will come down. Okay. But if it finds some support here, it can go and test higher levels, get rejected and come down. Okay. So these are the two possible scenarios. Now I think it will retrace at least till this level. Yeah, same ABC pattern for it to come. If it breaks down, then it will test this parallel channel bottom as resistance and then come down. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think this is enough for leverage pairs. Now um, there is one spot pair which I want to share with you guys. Okay. So this is a high street coin. Now none of this is paid promotion. As you can see, my channel is not so big, so none of this can be paid promotion. I'm just here to teach you how to trade spot and how to do leverage. Okay. Like you can see, high street has broken out from the parallel channel and it is done quite a good run of almost 100% from the last lows over here. Now I expect that when it comes down, now you can see it is finding some support over here. Yeah, if BTC does well, then I will look for some spot entries around the test of this parallel channel over here. Okay, if it finds supports, then I think it can go and take out the liquidity of this week, and I'll only hold this coin maybe till here. Okay, then I'm going to get out of this position. Okay, if you don't understand how to trade all these highly volatile coin, then don't enter the trade. But you can see that this will be almost 40% to 45% trade on spot. Do not trade it on leverage, because you can see all these wicks over here, they are going to liquidate you in a matter of no time. Stop loss is not going to help you over here. Okay, there's a lot of slippage in the coin. Yeah, but I will wait for this coin to put some direction. If BTC plans to go up, only then I will enter long on this high street. Okay, if it plans to go down, then I'm not going to enter. It can come down, make parallel channel as resistance, test this as resistance, and it can come and test the bottom of the here. If it comes here, this will be a very good point to enter, because you can see it has constantly found support on this line. Okay, so this is how you trade, guys. So this will be high street for you. If it comes here, please try to get a position over here. This will be 80% trade. All these coins are on Binance, and someday if I find some coin which is not on Binance, like you can see, people is not on Binance, people is from Bybit, so still I managed to give it to you. These are all high risk trades, guys. I give this in my trading desk, and the traders who are there, they know when to exit the position and where to put their stop losses. So someday I'll try to share my trading desk channel with you. Now, this so far, I think this is enough, and I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to share this video so people can take benefit of these setups. Okay. Thank you guys for liking this. I'll come up with such a video one more time in the week. So twice every day we'll make such videos. So tomorrow I'll come up with top 5 coins to trade for tomorrow. Yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.